For 2 decades, the absolute pinnacle of digital marketing was securing that #1 spot on a Google search page. But today, fighting for that blue link is a losing battle. Take a look at the data tracking current search behavior. Traditional organic web traffic is plummeting by up to 25. To understand the solution, we have to look at the mechanics of traditional search engine optimization. SEO functions like a massive library catalog. It uses crawlers to map the internet, ranking pages based on keywords and the authority of their backlinks. The core limitation is that SEO only provides a destination. It hands the user a stack of sources and expects them to do the work of reading and summarizing the information themselves. Generative engine optimization, or GEO, changes the dynamic. Here, a large language model acts as an intelligent librarian. It seamlessly reads the source material, digests all the facts, and speaks the final answer back to the user. Because an AI is doing the reading, keyword stuffing is irrelevant. GEO requires semantic clarity, structured data, and precise factual definitions that a machine can extract with high confidence. Your objective shifts from ranking a page to securing a brand mention within the AI's response, ideally becoming the primary source the AI cites to validate its answer. This logic model shows the core difference in how we measure success. The SEO model on the left tracks outbound clicks to your website. The GEO model on the right tracks brand mentions and inclusion inside the AI's response window. The content required to win also diverges. To feed the click funnel, you might rely on isolated keyword tags. To earn a GEO mention, you must use conversational sentence structures that provide a direct resolution to a complex query. While SEO maps the internet, GEO synthesizes it. Optimizing for the map alone leaves a brand invisible to the systems that generate the final answer. We can see the consequences of this shift in a simple split test between two software vendors competing for the same audience. Company A focuses on the traditional playbook. They publish keyword-stuffed blog posts, obsessing over word counts and backlink volume to satisfy search algorithms. Company B prioritizes clarity and structure. They publish detailed FAQs and concise definitions, specifically designed for machine readability. Company A might still secure a link on page 1, but when a buyer asks an AI to evaluate vendors, the model bypasses Company A entirely and quotes Company B as the definitive authoritative source. Despite these differences, SEO and GEO are synergistic systems. Success in one often provides the signals needed to succeed in the other. Many technical SEO practices are actually mandatory for GEO. Clean HTML architecture and schema markup are the primary ways you feed structured data to the large language models. Now, this requires moving past vanity metrics. Chasing the sheer quantity of raw traffic is a distraction. You must focus on the quality and intent of the users your content serves. This flowchart illustrates a major technical hurdle. While crawlers easily scan clean HTML, they often hit a wall when attempting to parse heavy JavaScript. Many modern AI models struggle to read JavaScript, making code-heavy front-ends invisible to the search experience. These models also require external verification. They scan Reddit and directories and YouTube transcripts for brand mentions to build trust in your entity. A technically perfect website is only half the battle. Without a consistent footprint of brand authority across the rest of the web, an AI has no reason to recommend you. We are entering the era of agent-based search. Soon, users will deploy autonomous AI agents to conduct multi-step research and report back with a finalized recommendation. Survival in this environment requires search everywhere optimization. Your brand needs a ubiquitous, trusted presence across every platform where these agents pull their data. The internet has transitioned into a synthesized dialogue, moving away from its origins as a directory of static locations. To remain visible, a brand must provide the definitive resolution within the chat, bypassing the need for a separate website visit. To future-proof your brand against this shift, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow Geo SEO Lab for the latest strategies.